My role involved working with developers to implement new features and doing in-depth regression acceptance testing to ensure that all the features working as expected before it shipped to customers. One thing that surprised me working on my placement was the office culture. I had not worked in an office environment before, and I was surprised how, at least the company I worked at, how informal and friendly everyone was, and I felt very able to seek help and advice. And I certainly suffered a bit from imposter syndrome at the beginning and was very worried about not asking the right questions and was worried about not knowing enough. And so being able to go and talk to people off the cuff informally when I needed help was a great learning curve and very useful to getting the work done. I think the placement will help my employability by boosting my soft skills. That's applicable, I think, across any working environment, working with people, working in groups towards a common project. It's a little bit different from working in group projects at university. With this application process, it's quite holistic in a way that we help hire and then train the new interns, of course, like we were trained by the last interns. And we even got to sit into the interview process and ask questions again. Very interesting to see and learn from the other end of the table. The best part of undertaking a placement for me was being part of a productive team and being a useful and valued member in that team, and actually have my feedback and work be realised in the software. It took me a long time to build my confidence and to understand that I was seen as a peer and that my input did matter and was valued, and that I could ask questions and seek help. I didn't have to solve everything. It's not an exam. You have to fix it all by yourself in a limited time frame. I think having come back and done third year, I now also see how what I learned at my placement applies to this year. Rather than using the tool, but actually being the tool maker, if you will, that was very, very interesting. I like that perspective. And it gave me a great head start and also context compared to my peers. Challenging, engaging, rewarding.